So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a new video. So today, back here on the Amazon Fire Stick, of course, I want to talk to you about the new, or potentially the end of the Amazon Fire TV and the Fire TV as we know it. There's talks of a new Fire Stick coming out later this year. September is right around the corner when Amazon normally releases new devices. They've already been testing this new Vega operating system. They've already tested it on the Echo Show 5. They've already tested it on the new Echo Hub. If you haven't seen those devices, check out the links in the description. You can check it out there. Also, let me bring you up to speed if you're not familiar with what's going on. As you know, we are on the Amazon Fire Stick, and this Fire Stick operates strictly off of Fire TV OS, and they have their own forked version of the Android operating system, which is specifically designed for Amazon Fire TVs or Fire TV devices or Fire Sticks. So that's what you see here. That's what we have here. Also, there's been a lot of changes with the Fire OS where they have been disabling certain features with latest updates with Fire TV OS. As you can see, I'm on 8.1.06. I believe a couple of weeks ago it was on 8.1.03. The Fire TV is rapidly progressing with updates. Also, as you know, the latest update with the Fire TV did disable ADB debugging, even though it's an option for us to turn it on and use it. It was disabled behind the scenes and no one really knew until they went to go open up certain apps and they were completely not working anymore. So they've definitely been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, but it's all leading up to this potential new operating system called Vega. So with Vega, you may be asking, are we going to be able to side load in the new Vega operating system? No one knows. It's up in the air, but considering they are changing a lot of things as far as disabling features, we can almost expect that we won't be able to side load on the new devices, such as like a Roku device, with them locking down that particular feature. This new Vega operating system will look similar to this, and I do want to point out that Amazon has been kind of testing this with us for a while now with various different updates to the Amazon Fire Stick. So if you click the Alexa button on the Amazon Fire Stick, you'll notice that you have this new ambient experience. So if you open the ambient experience, you get this new layout with various different screensavers. You can cycle through each screensaver if you wanted. They have a bunch of different screensavers that you can choose from. They have the time in the left hand corner. They have the weather in the top left hand corner. They have, if you hit the up arrow, they have these widgets where you can check to see if you have any packages coming. You have this area where you have smart home options where you can enable your lights. So if you wanted to turn on your lights, if you wanted to check your cameras, change your thermostat, this has all been leading up to this new Vega operating system that they're trying to introduce to us, kind of just in baby steps. Also, they have various other different widgets. If you want to write yourself a sticky note, you can do that. You can play music from these widgets. You can watch TV from these widgets. You can check the weather. You can check the calendar. You can check the sticky notes, and you can check different top 10 favorites on the Amazon Fire Stick when it comes to particular shows. You can also add different widgets. If you click the 3 lines on your remote, you can change the background. You can add widgets. So these are the different widgets that you have access to right now, but in this new Vega operating system, which could potentially land on the Fire Sticks or the Fire TV smart TVs, you'll have a lot more widgets most likely. And just to give a good comparison, just pull up the Echo Hub. This is the latest release of the Vega operating system. You can add a keyless entry on that one. A lot of voice activated features. You get the Ring. So even though that's the Echo Hub, I would assume that they want the Amazon Fire TV to be a lot similar to this Echo Hub. With that being said, I am cautious for them to release this new operating system, but at the same time it could be some type of like a Phoenix effect. If they kept the side loading feature with the Vega operating system, that would be huge. I think it would be a game changer, and I do think there's some potential there as far as everything that they could offer. It could be an entertainment hub mixed with a lot of different voice activated features within it, and they would have full control to add any type of customized feature within it. But at the same time, there could be a lot of downsides if they did remove certain third-party features that would disable a lot of stuff that we do on the Amazon Fire Stick. But no one knows. It's all up in the air, and we'll see what happens in September if they release a new device. But overall, you tell me your thoughts of what you think this device will bring. If you're excited for it, if you're not, let me know if you think this is the end of the Fire TV down in the comment section below. But once again, I did want to bring this to you. Let's see what happens in September. Thank you so much for watching, and give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.